Come on.
Peace and love. Islamism. First and foremost, I rise and give praise to Allah, the Father of the universe. I rise and give honors to His Prophet Noble Drew Ali. I rise and give honors to all you Moors who are watching this video, especially my sisters. Um, we can't meet physically because of the whole coronavirus COVID-19 epidemic, but we are supposed to practice wrapping our turbans. So I decided to make a video, and hopefully this will help out, especially the new sisters who's coming into the temple who wants to know how to wrap the turban. All right, to me, there's no right or wrong way to wrap your turban as long as you have the V in the middle over your third eye, um, so that your pen or your button can go right in the center. Okay, so it doesn't matter the fabric either. I love different fabrics. I have sheets, I have curtains, I have scarves. Today I have a scarf here. Um, it's probably about 6 feet long. I folded it in half here. So here we go. And I don't have a mirror, so I can't really tell what I'm doing. But it just it depends on your what kind of hair you have. Like, I have a lot of hair. If you know me, my hair, I have thick hair. It's long, so I do whatever I have to do to put it up in a ponytail, out the way, and if you have a lot of hair, locks, dreads, braids, the best thing to do is to put it up like in a high ponytail, like how I have it here. Put it up in a bun so that you can wrap your turban around your hair without it getting in the way. So here it goes. So I like to have my scarf even on both sides. You see this? Even on both sides. I put it right in the center of my head. I have no forehead, so so it should be right along here, covering your ears. What I do here is I bring it to the back and I make 2 bunches, and then I cross them. So the right side should be in the left hand, and the left hand should be the left side should be in the left hand, right hand. You know what I'm talking about. So I'll pull it tight on both sides. So it should look like this. So now you put one side under your chin, in your mouth, whatever you gotta do, hold it down. Open the other side up, bring it across the front, like this. Okay? You don't want to do it too tight, you don't want to give yourself a headache. And what you do with this, see this? You're gonna tuck that. And it doesn't have to be perfect. You're just gonna tuck all the way around. And then you bring the other side up and across. I should have this V here. And that's where your button's gonna go, right over your third eye. Okay. And bring it around. I'm gonna tuck that. The more fabric you have, the more you're gonna have to tuck. So keep that in mind. When you're first learning, it's best to start off with something like 6 or 7 feet so that you can get control and know exactly what you're doing. So I just tuck and tuck. Tuck all the way around, tuck it all the way in. And then you have your crown. I'm going to tuck that in and around like that. Just see how that looks here. No two turbans will look alike, and that's okay. You know, you can be creative. You go the way you rock your turban. It could be high, it could be low. You know, the more fabric you have, the higher it's going to be. Like I said, I have a lot of hair and I get hot really fast, so in the summertime, you're not gonna see me rocking a real big hot turban. Okay, a simple scarf is beautiful and it does the job. And you put your pin right here in the center. All right, I hope that helped. Peace and love, Islamism.